We are back again, and please join me on this one. I don't want to waste much time. Thank you for your time, and please subscribe if you're new. So let's rush to the program immediately without wasting much of your time. I want to make it snappy. There's some screenshots, not a screenshot, a voice note that I want to play here. And this is to prove to you that Biafrans know who they're following and they know what they want. For some of you thinking that I'm just saying, because I believe that every reasonable people or persons that understand what Biafran actually want, or have followed PM for some times, you don't need to fly from one place to another, or being convinced or deceived by anybody who claim that they are warriors on the internet, that by their posting and comment they can knock you off from your balance. Listen to this. I don't want to waste more time. Let me just rush on this one because we are going to spend just a few minutes. Okay, just a few minutes. Hear this.
According to your write-up, Simon Ekpa is not working with Mazen Amdekan, okay?
Now, this person is replying to people that are arguing that Simon Ekpa is not working for Mazen Amdekan, he's the agent, he's this, he's that. In one group like that, they're having this kind of exchange of word where DOS and non-DOS lovers come together to share information together. Now, this is response from the Biafran, one of the Biafran, somebody that understands what Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, and this Biafran re-declaration, everything. He understands the steps and what is going on and the outcome of it. Hear what he said.
He's doing his game with the Nigerian government and using our struggle to cover up.
Okay.
You are a very big fool. You are a very, very, very big fool.
Okay.
Anompama. You people sold our leader to Nigerian government.
Okay.
Monthly sit at home. Monthly sit at home in order for him to be released. And may I want more to you people stop. Now see Biafra war no only the Mazen Amdekan when the court case sit at home.
How many of you remember this thing that this brother said here? In case if you don't understand what he's saying, he's replying to the person saying that PM is not working to release Mazen Amdekan, he's not working for Mazen Amdekan, that he is doing it on his own personal gain. And this our brother told him that you are a liar. That after the kidnap of Mazen Amdekan, that everybody come together. Not everybody, what I mean by everybody, because PM just distanced himself for a while and want to see how they will react. If you know, you know. There was a time all of us were waiting for PM to broadcast. Because from day one, we don't know them. We don't know them. Do you? If you do, please let me know. Nobody know them. It was even after kidnapping of Mazen Amdekan that we know that DOS is supposed to talk. That DOS is supposed to talk. They waited and waited. PM was somehow handicapped. He don't want to be too forward. If he is the kind of person that want to dominate and take over the way that paid it to be now, he would have showed that at the beginning. Because everyone was dormant. By now, what they would have been saying now, by maybe, because they created a vacuum. Is it because that DOS are still thinking on what they're going to do? They couldn't do anything. It was PM that used his own initiative without even anybody advising him. It was of late that we begin to understand that PM was saying those things using his own leadership quality as a man to calm Biafra. Because some of us, many people started developing BP. That's not the truth. That's just the fact. I was on a live program with somebody, okay, when the news was broke out on the internet. And after that, because of that, I left that platform and refresh my system and see what is going on. Then that they freeze, Chile one Dr. Damages, everybody was on streaming live in jubilation. I did not even know that PM was a problem until when they started seeing PM activities, because they were not talking about PM. Everything was on Mazen Amdekan. Oh, the news, hey, they kidnapped me. What's going to happen? And people that were holding the Biafran flag when they are streaming begin to pull it down a little bit. You understand? Until the whole thing now turned out, they started creating fear in the minds of everybody. Anyway, let me not waste much of your time because I said I want to manage the minutes of this video, so it will not be too long. Listen to him again.
Since then till today, what are you people doing to release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu?
Good question.
Ndara. Ibo Anampama. Idiot.
IPOP, one family. IPOP.
This is another person. Hear what he said.
One family. IPOP, one great family. Also, anybody be on a shop with Flomaka Eastern Security Network money to support them, they are criminal in Ajame. Anybody of Potara, Bagon Eastern Security Network, DOS under Mazichike, DCMO, Buru will be in the governors, Eastern governors. When I target that name support of nothing like Biafran or Eastern Security Network for now. Here when now will Biafran Liberation Army.
Now, what this our brother is saying here, I don't know what he believes on. Maybe his deliverance is not truly complete yet, because I can hear him saying IPOB one family, IPOB one family. IPOB is not one family anymore. That's number one. Don't need to lie to yourself. He is not one family anymore. It was not no more. Why? Those of them claim that their maintenance structure couldn't even respect the order given by the spring leader, Mas Nnamdi Kanu. Mas Nnamdi Kanu is our leader. He's our leader. He remains our leader. They have tried many times to overthrow him. They have tried many times to control him. They have tried many times to jail him. It is in public, and this is not an idea. We are not here to argue with you. I'm just here to remind you what has happened or what is happening. Do you understand? I'm not here to argue with you. If you don't believe it, do your own research. It is no longer one family. I'm not saying that IPOB is dead. Do you understand? What I'm saying is no longer, it is not one family anymore. We have the one that believe Mazen Nnamdi, group that believe Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, that are, I know, answerable, or they are paying homage to Kanu Takanu. That is where you see Ezumezu, who also somehow still believe in DOS and rest of them, but at the end of it all, he is not answerable to them. He believes that yes, Mazen Kanu's DOS is there, is working fine, everything is there. But nobody should touch it. It is intact for Mazen Kanu to come. But anybody that wants to say they respect Chikerism, he will say turn against it. That is confusion they have. I don't know where they are getting this kind of mentality about the freedom and all the rest of them, but that's their choice. Another set of people are people who actually believe that freedom should not be, submitted to one person. That it could come from anybody, it could emanate from anybody, and they are seeing green lights from PM, different Prime Minister, and that you're running with that and following that. So saying that IPOB one family is, to me, I don't believe that. Personally, I don't believe it. Now, he was addressing one of the criminal acts going on in our land, which is some group of people, some group of people claiming that they are this, they are that their own is to maintain ESN. These are criminal mindset of some people. They cannot get things done on social media. They don't want to organize fundraising, because if they do, nobody is going to vote for, nobody will support that. And there's nothing like ESN at the moment. That's not the fact. If you doubt me, ask yourself this question. After the kidnap of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, we have had series of attacks in Igbo land, right? Now, those areas that attack have been, those areas that have witnessed some attack that come from headers, from Fulani and rest of them. Have you seen any of these attacks that those people living in those areas called ESN or ESN willingly on their own go there to solve the problem? Security problem. Never. If you have seen, please send the link to my email. My email is in the description of this video. If you check my description of any of my video, you see my email. You can contact me through the email. Send me the video if you claim that you do have it, or just write to me. I will tell you how you're gonna send it to me, because there's no way you can provide such thing. That one is aside. So they are not going from market to market asking people to bring money to fund ESN, as they have tried on social media. A few weeks ago, we saw some flyers on internet that mega fundraising of ESN, support our ESN, support. They have moved from that to support our agriculture. We are the one feeding their labor. We are the one producing cash crops. Support us. All this thing is to maintain the usual money they used to take for years. And that's why they hate PM with everything in them. Now, listen to me. I'm not the one saying it to. I'm not. This is random video. I'm not the one that say, "Oh, make a video for me." No, this video is on social media. This voice note. I don't know them. They don't know me. We don't talk. I just lay my hand on the video because somebody sent it to me. But the person that sent it to me is not the one that made the video. Listen, because it's in the public domain, so you can get it. Now, listen.
Under Mazi Simeon
Let me take it back a bit.
Eastern governance. When I target that N9eria support of nothing like Biafran or Eastern Security Network for now. Here when now only Biafran Liberation Army under Mazi Simeon. Tomorrow I'm going to preach for that in market. They have come again to steal and steal people in the name of Biafra. Many forum in Cote d'Ivoire.
This person reporting this is in Homeland, though. Eyewitness. Telling you that some certain people are moving from market to market asking for internal revenue to generate money for imaginary ESN. Number one, now listen.
A criminal. Anybody who IPOP, no one evangelism manager to support IPOP in Ajam Eastern Security Network is a criminal. Other shop will work him out. They are the people that sued Mazin Nandekal and take Eastern Security Network to the Eastern governance. Most of security is most of Eastern Security Network, they have entered a embargo. If not because of Simeon Aka, they have killed everything. Let me tell you people, whatever they are doing now is a criminality. If they didn't support Simeon Aka, they are criminal. Now I got to shop on them mad tata for the tata. Hani ne Wundoshi. I will bring my mic tomorrow and stop them. By fire, by thunder, they must go.
That he will bring his mic tomorrow and talk to them in the market, because you understand what is playing now. That's using public address system to speak to our people in the market, to encourage them not to give any money to anybody, that these people are, you know, if this is why they are fighting tooth and nail on social media. Come on social media. No, go you go come on. That's why they're attacking fundraising. They have attack, but Biafrans are very, very clever. I said it on one of my live broadcasts that whatever you are going to do to stop what Biafrans actually believe and trust on, you are wasting your time. The more you talk, the more they hate you, because you have not proven otherwise.
Nothing like Eastern Security Network. How would do she?
Nobody me talk more. They hear.
I'm watching the mad in a bunker, and the matter sala many forum not today. Tomorrow, my mark will come outside, and they will know that I am Jude mad. No nonsense.
By now, and the people that this thing affect, how they put the pump, how get an out to your man. Catch Jude. Where is Jude from? Where? Kama achi iron all the okunima. You know what I mean by that? I don't want to say it in English.
Ana garden shop ndị mmadụ ayari ego for Eastern Security Network. Then the DOS under Mazi Chike do same regoro necessary. Let's to the yana. Kita ka work up maka ha no gonna Donald Trump win ele. What of the person?
I wanted to say something about it. I saw some of them posting Mas Namanukano with with American flag and not American flag, sitting close to somebody, or he have a friend that is Congress member or something like that. They say that person, maybe he was a Congress person, or that he knows somebody that knows Trump, or he knows Trump, something like that. But they regard the person in US, so he was sitting down close to that person. The write-up they are now sharing now is Mas Namanukano has been a supporter of Trump. Mas Namanukano is a supporter of Trump. These are people that have been supporting Iran against Israel for if you follow them, make all this one that said that mega platform and all that, to be honest with you. Listen.
Person that are suffering for many years. And he will be the end of them, and they have already been the end of them. I will stop them tomorrow, then we know that I have done the matter. No stop. We will get Biafra with truth. You start with lie. They are liars, but liar human being.
Now, listen to another person before we come to an end of this video. I want to use the opportunity to encourage you to like this video if you have not, subscribe if you are new, and comment. Tell us what you think about what we are discussing so far. Everything that you are hearing here is not cooked up. This is reality. This is the pure truth and everything. You can do your own investigation. Like I always say that most of them, they don't remember that we also are from Igbo land. So we have people in Igbo land. We are living in Igbo land. This is our land. This is our people. We know what is going on there. So there's other local if you know what I mean. If your fowl have leg problem, you don't sell it to your neighbor, because your neighbor once your neighbor notice that this fowl have broken leg, he will bring the fowl back and collect his money. So if you want to do that kind of black market business, you have to hold that foul leg very strong in the market and sell it to somebody else that is living far, that don't know where you come from. Then you can use that to deceive, if that is what gives you joy. I don't encourage that. Listen. This one voice is very low, very low, very low. Okay, to cut the long story short, this guy brother is trying to profile a solution to make more money, to generate money, to help Biafran government in exile and to assist. But I believe PM understand why he's taking it the way he's taking it. I can say that people are not yet keen into. Not every majority have keen in, of course. Only the criminal people that are still struggling to kick him out, because like I said, I want to call even that, but it's not gonna work that way. What he's saying is good, but I think it's not yet time. And Biafran Prime Minister and Biafran government cabinet, they know what they're doing and they know the time to introduce that kind of thing. So let's not just waste our time, keep on playing the whole voice notes. Thank you, my people, and please subscribe if you are new, and tell me what you think about what we discussed so far on comment section. We have come to an end of this particular video. See you again on the next one, and bye bye for now. God bless you.